Hi, my name is Todd Campbell. I'm at the University of Connecticut. I'm creating this short video to share an article that we have coming out in the Science Teacher titled Achieving Liftoff. I wanted to just share briefly about just how the article came together and what we hope you get from the article. So the article was written with two high school science teachers. They actually were the lead authors on this, and Renee Turley from Cromwell High School and Alan Troticho from E.O. Smith High School here in Storrs, Connecticut. They both teach chemistry, but they also teach some freshman courses in, I think, physical science. So the article and the unit that the article is about came out of a project that we're in Connecticut here, where we spent a year thinking about how we might help students learn about chemical reactions, and then how we might think about teaching in ways that are aligned with the next generation science standards. So during our professional learning opportunity, we participated with the leaders of the Next Generation Science Exemplar Project, and part of that project focuses on developing and using storylines, coherent storylines, to think about units and think about ways of engaging students in units. In our particular unit, Achieving Liftoff, it focuses on chemical reactions, and specifically we found a portion of a rocket launch that shows the fuel coming out of the bottom of the rocket without the rocket moving. It shows some sparks applied to the rocket, and then after the sparks are applied, this huge explosion or reaction occurs. And then the sparks can be taken away. The reaction doesn't stop. It just continues to go. And then eventually the rocket launches. And so we wanted to develop a unit to help students think about what's going on that would explain how this specific event that we picked in the rocket launch occurred. And so through that, we used the storyline approach, which focuses on coherent storylines. So it focuses on helping students engage in activities that gives them pieces of the puzzle or gives them ideas that they can marshal or use in explaining how this rocket launches at the end. So in doing that, it uses we tried to predict what kinds of questions students would ask and need to try to answer if they were going to explain this. And so we came up with questions in our storyline, such as what is fuel? Why do some things react whereas others don't? What roles does energy play in the rearrangement of atoms, and where does this energy come from? And then finally, what makes the rocket lift off if fire by itself does not cause it to lift off? So this is mainly a chemistry unit, but there is some physics at the end when the actual rocket is taking off. So I think the one thing I'd like to share is, like, from this opportunity, we got a chance to really dig deeply into the next generation science standards and the framework. We got a chance to learn for ourselves, but we also came out with some resources and materials we could take into our classroom. So we're sharing this article in hopes that it might be a valuable resource to you, and then maybe you would even need to perhaps revise it for your own context to make it work for you, but we hope that might be helpful, and we would love to hear how things go when you do get a chance to try it. Thank you.